Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial about interior angles of a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few activities. Please, you can pause the video and try the activities before I show you the solutions. Okay, right. So what do we know about interior angles of a triangle? We say the interior angles of a triangle are supplementary. It means that they add up to 180 degrees. So now if you say angle A plus angle B plus angle C, these three angles, they add up to 180 degrees. These are interior angles of a triangle. And then the reasons we can write angle sum in triangle. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'll be using this reason there. Okay, and then we have sum of angles in a triangle. It's another one. And then we have interior angles of a triangle. Okay, so these are acceptable reasons that we use. Right, this is the first activity. So calculate with reasons the size of x. So you can try this, and then once you're done, you continue with the video. All right, let's do this together now. So these are interior angles of a triangle A, B, and C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, and then you write the reason. Remember, every time you write your statement and reason. Okay, and then now we can substitute what we have there, and then what is this? 20 plus 80 is 100, and then you transpose, becomes 180 minus 100. Okay, and then x is equal to 80 degrees. So we can mark your work there. Right. Let's move on to the next one. Calculate with reason the size of x, hence the size of the interior angles. And then after that, you classify triangle ABC. Okay, let's try to do this. And then once you're done, you can continue the video. Just pause for now, try the activity, and then after that, you continue. So we're adding these three angles. They must give us 180 degrees. Okay, then you see every time statement and reason. Okay, and then we have our angles. 12x plus 4x plus 14x is equal to 180 degrees. If we add these like terms, we get 30x. And then 30x we divide by 30 on both sides of the equation. Okay, what is 180 divided by 30? It should be 6 degrees. But now we haven't answered the question fully. It says, hence the size of the interior angle. So what do we do here? Now we know that our x is 6 degrees. Let's find the size of angle A. Where there's x, we substitute here. Where there's x, we put 6 here to get angle A. We put 6 here, 14 times 6 to get angle C, and 4 times 6 to get angle B. So that's what you do there. So it means angle A is 72 degrees. Okay, this is angle A, which is 72 degrees. Okay, and then angle B is 24 degrees. This is 24 degrees. Okay, and then angle C is 84 degrees. These are the sizes of the angles, interior angles. So what we do, or classify triangle ABC. What is it? This is a scalene triangle. It's a scalene triangle because all the three angles are different, isn't it? So meaning that even the sides are going to be different. Even the sides are going to be different. You see that? So this is a scalene triangle. And then we can say acute scalene triangle because all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So this is an acute scalene triangle. Okay. And then this is another one. Also, you can try to do it, and then after that, you mark your work. Just pause the video and try it. Right, what type of a triangle is this? This is an isosceles triangle. We're given that AC is equal to AB. So meaning that these two angles are equal, because these are angles opposite equal size. Angles opposite equal size. So they are equal. So it means angle B is also x minus 30 degrees. Okay. So angle B is equal to angle C because angle is opposite equal size. Right. And then now we add the three angles. They must give us 180 degrees because they're interior angles of a triangle. So we write our statement here in the reason. Okay. Also here with the statement and the reason. Right. So let's substitute what we have. Now we substitute, and then we can collect like terms. 3x plus x, that is 5x, 20 degrees minus 30 degrees, that is negative 10 degrees, negative 10 degrees minus 30 degrees, that is negative 40 degrees. So we have 5x minus 40 degrees equal to 180 degrees. And then we can transpose them. It becomes negative 40 comes this side, becomes 180 degrees plus 40 degrees. And then 5x is equal to 220 degrees. Then divide by 5 on both sides of the equation. We get that x is equal to 44 degrees. Now it says, and the size of each interior angle. So we need to find the size of A, B, and C. You see that? Okay, so where there's x, we put 44 degrees. And then just substitute there. So it means A is 152 degrees. Angle A is 152 degrees. And then angle B is 14 degrees. And then angle B and angle C are equal. So it means angle C is also 14 degrees. Okay. Angle B is 14 degrees and angle C is 14 degrees. Okay. Right. And then this another one. Try to do it. Just pause the video and do it. And then after that, you can mark your work. Okay, let's do this together. So we're given all the three angles here because this is a right angle. This symbol means this is a right angle. So this is 90 degrees. So Q is 90 degrees, P is 3x, and then R is 4x plus 20. Okay, so calculate the value of x. So this one is just the value of x. So we add these three because it must give us 180 degrees because of angle sum in triangle. And then we add them. And when we solve, we simplify the left hand side first. What do we get there? 7x plus 110 degrees equal to 180 degrees. And then we transpose, subtract 110 degrees from both sides of the equation. What do we get? We divide by 7 on both sides of the equation. We get that x is equal to 10 degrees. Done. That's what we're supposed to do. Okay. Right. I think we can do the last one. Then we'll be done after that. Let's do the last one. Right, welcome back. I really hope you managed to get the answer here. So what do we do here? We're just given one angle, but now if you check, this is actually an equilateral triangle because all the three sides are equal. So it means that angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to angle R. So we can say these three angles are each 60 degrees because angle sum in triangle and triangle PQR is equilateral triangle. Right, so we know that all of them 360 degrees, and then so meaning that 3x plus 15 is equal to 60 degrees. Then we solve for x there. Okay, subtract 15 degrees from both sides of the equation. We get this x equal to 15 degrees. Okay, so even if maybe we could have said 3x plus 15 degrees, it was going to be longer, and then 3x plus 15 degrees plus 3x plus 3 plus 15 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. You see that? And then you write your reason, angle, sum in triangle. You see that? And then you can get your 9x plus 45 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. You see that? And then you can solve for x, you're going to get the same answer. You're going to get the same answer. Okay, right. So I think we're done. Now we're going to meet when we do our next lesson. Goodbye.